Hello and welcome to Noble Learners, an online platform spreading knowledge. Today we are going to learn to solve logarithmic equations. So here you can analyze the base are same. Here the base is 6 in each the log. Now you need to understand some of the properties of log. So the first property is, suppose if there is log a and if there is x, and in addition if there is log a and y. So when the bases are same and when the logs are in addition, then the logs are multiplied together. So we can write log a x times y. So this is my property. So here we are going to apply this property in step number 1, because here we know this is in addition. Here the bases are same. So here this is acting like x, this is acting like y, both can be multiplied together. So I can write log 6 base 6, and here I will write 2 times 3x minus 11. I can write that is equal to log base 6 4x minus 8. Okay, now you must be knowing the rules of equation. What we can do, I need to bring here 0. Okay, always try to understand, always try to bring the logs on the one hand. So here I try to make it 0. So in order to make it 0, I need to bring this whole thing to the other side. You already know, so whatever is in addition, when it goes to the other side, it becomes subtraction. This is the rule of equation you must be knowing. Or you might be knowing the transpose method. Suppose if you have x plus 3 is equal to 8. So if you want to find the value, what you are doing, you are bringing this 3 to the other side. You are subtracting -3 and -3. Or I can say if it is in addition, it will directly go into subtraction to the other side. So here this whole thing will go to the subtraction to the other side. So let me write in subtraction. So I can write log 6. Here I can multiply them. So here I can write like 6x minus 22. Here 2 is being multiplied to both. Okay. And here I would be writing minus log base 6. I can write 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Like that, I can write this. Now there is one more property. If suppose there is log ax, and suppose if there is subtraction, and suppose if there is log ay, so when the logs are in subtraction, they are divided. So how we can write this? We can write this as log a x upon y. If you will observe carefully, these are the log with the same basis and they are in subtraction. So we can write them in division. So I can write log 6 and I can write 6x minus 22 or negative 22 upon 4x minus 8. So I have written them in division. So this is step number 2 which you need to perform. After that, you need to change this log form into exponent. And how to change the log form into exponent? You must be knowing this one. Suppose if something like this is written, ax is equal to y. If something like this is written, you are writing log y and you are writing base a is equal to x. Again, if you want to change in this form, what you need to do, you need to focus on the base. This is our base and its exponent will be the other side, the RHS. So here how I can write in exponent form, I can write this as 6 exponent 0, 6 power 0 is equal to 6x minus 22 upon 4x minus 8. I can write like that. Anything to the power 0 or anything exponent 0 is 1, not 0. Okay, remember this. If any number is there, if its exponent is 0, the value is 1. Please remember this point. Okay, so I can write like that. Now I can cross multiply. I can send this part to the other side. This is in division. On the other side, it will become multiplication. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I can write 4x minus 8 is equal to 6x minus 22. And now how I can solve this one? I can bring x on the one side and all the constant on the other sides. And do remember, now you are not a kid, now you are the student of grade 11th. So in America, how you solve the equation? You solve the equation like subtracting 22 on the both side. There is a simple rule. The addition becomes subtraction when it goes to the other side. Subtraction become addition, division become multiplication, and multiplication become division. It's very simple. I want to bring this x to the other side. This x is in positive. When this x will go to the other side, it will become negative. So how I can write this? I will bring this 4x to the other side, and this 22 is in negative. When I will bring this to the other side, it will become positive. So I can write negative 8. I'm bringing negative 22 to this side. So this will become positive 22 is equal to, I can write 6x minus 4x, because this 4x will go to the other side, it will become negative. So from here I can solve. Negative 8 and plus 22 is going to make 14, and here it is going to make 6x minus 4x will make 2x, and here x will become, see how in America you solve like divided by 2 divided by 2, but this is we are doing in grade 5th or 6th, right? Now you are grown up. So what you need to find? You need to find x. Okay, so x is in multiplication. It will go into division directly. So why to write divide by 2 to the both hands? You can simply write 14 upon 2 and your answer is same. That is 7. And that is what my answer is. So this is how you need to solve this question. I hope you understood how to solve this one. If you like to join one-to-one private tutoring sessions, you can also text me on my WhatsApp. The number and information is given in the description box. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.